My name is Dr. Catherine Kibirige. I'm a research associate at the Human Immunology Lab based at the Chelsea and Westminster Hospital. I've been working for IAVI, which was formerly the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative.
My name is Jing from Industrial Partnership and Commercialization team. So what we do is essentially help support research collaboration with industry and also commercialize the research technology come up from Imperial. I chose to enroll in the Imperial Media Academy because I thought it's really interesting to help me to continue to update and upskill myself a little bit. Even though I have been exposed to some social media and some media training before, but I thought technology keep changing, and then learn about how to communicate science across to the public was very important and useful, so that's why I joined the course.
I'm coming to the end of a postdoc and applying for fellowships, and had been applying for funding, and was just having a hard time really articulating the importance and impact of my work. And within the fellowship applications, they do want you to do more engagement. So when I read the brief for the course, I thought it would be really useful. The course was very good. I was actually surprised at how professional it was and how intensive it was, and just the caliber of the instructors. They had actual people from like the BBC, teaching us.
It was very active. I think all the course tutors and the peers was very, very nice. They share their experience, their knowledge. So you feel very comfortable actually in discussing some questions, understanding how other people have been working on it. So I thought that was very, very useful, and it was at a very comfortable pace. So people can try to learn and figure out slowly. And also afterwards, you actually see the recorded content as well, so you can actually remind yourself what you have learned throughout the whole courses.
We were asked to write examples related to what we were currently doing, and so I did write up a kind of lay summary about my work and got to pitch it, and was actually invited to do a podcast, and the podcast was actually then put on the within Imperial News, and actually really ended up being circulated, and I got a lot of leads and people interested in my work through that.
I think the courses cover lots of topics like policy, social media, video and podcasting. Those are really interesting topics because some of them I'm aware, but some of them I'm not entirely sure. So it was really good. It was quite comprehensive.
Since then I've managed to get some more funding and have actually been interviewed. The most recent and most prominent being with the HIV Plus magazine, and I was also interviewed by Afro News. So those have actually generated a lot of interest, and I've been able to get more network and get more people interested in my work.
So this has really helped in my career and my communication with the company I've been discussing with, and also talking with the scientists to help them to explore different matters and channels to help them to engage with the public.
It's helped me learn how to concisely pitch my work and explain it to a lay audience in a way that's engaging, so kind of tell the story of my work.
I would definitely recommend the course to others because I personally found it was very useful, very engaging, so would definitely recommend other people to join the courses as well.